Do you suffer from stiff, painful joints that never fully heal? Most people blame aging, but there's a hidden factor destroying your joints, and until you address it, pain will keep coming back. I've seen clients with arthritis, gout, and chronic joint pain who tried every treatment under the sun, painkillers, cortisone, even injections, but nothing worked long term. That's because these treatments only address symptoms. The real culprit? Chronic inflammation, poor collagen repair, and the body's inability to regenerate damaged tissue, largely tied to your adrenal health and cellular repair mechanisms. Tip number 1. Reduce inflammation. Step 1 is controlling inflammation. Natural anti-inflammatory nutrients like vitamin B5, vitamin C, B complex, and omega-3 fatty acids are key. They help your adrenal glands produce natural cortisol, your body's built-in anti-inflammatory, so joint tissues are protected and ready for repair. Tip number 2. Repair collagen and cartilage. Once inflammation is under control, the body needs raw materials to rebuild cartilage and collagen. Lysine, proline, MSM, glucosamine, and chondroitin provide exactly that. And vitamin C acts as a catalyst for collagen production, while glutathione recycles vitamin C so none of it is wasted. Tip number 3. Cellular regeneration. Finally, the hidden factor most people overlook: your body's ability to regenerate at the cellular level. This is where GHK-Cu copper peptides come in. It stimulates fibroblasts, boosts collagen, promotes nerve repair, and even supports cartilage and joint tissue regeneration. You can naturally elevate this regenerative process using a non-invasive phototherapy approach that awakens your dormant stem cells and enhances copper peptide GHK-Cu activity. If you want a personalized plan for your joint health, including supplements, nutrition, and regenerative strategies, I offer a free 30-minute consultation. Click the link in the description to book your session today. Don't let joint pain hold you back any longer.